Many internet business owners dislike list building, yet the majority of marketers understand the necessity of the process and complete it. Increased website traffic is determined by the internet professional's efforts and the resources available to him or her. Many website owners prefer to outsource list building rather than do it themselves, but a growing number of marketers are embracing it. Various software tools and fresh concepts have appeared on the internet in recent years, promising to make the work of list construction easier. The most recent converts have realized that developing an email list is no longer the arduous and dreaded task that many have shied away from. This novel, daring concepts are gaining traction quickly. As a strategy to build a large list, online company marketers frequently purchase focused traffic. New and original concepts, on the other hand, are quickly gaining traction among marketers. eBay is widely regarded as the most popular online auction site, and astute website owners have begun to make use of its list-building potential. A company professional can quickly develop the email list by delivering a service that eventually leads to the main sales site by offering low-cost auctions, usually for a few pennies or even less. eBay and Yahoo, among others, can provide similar benefits. Despite the fact that assured website traffic does not grow on trees and list building remains a necessity, some internet marketers have turned to cooperative ventures. You may grow your company list tremendously by teaming with a seasoned professional who is known for large lists and lucrative payouts. Partners can trade or share lists, allowing each firm to gain access to larger lists for future initiatives. For inexperienced marketers, a joint venture can pave the way to success by providing active and ready-to-use lists from the start. Building a healthy list is a surefire way to boost website traffic, and most internet marketers consider list building to be the most important instrument for online success. We'll cover more list building approaches in this series. Thanks for watching. Join our Facebook group My Learning Center and subscribe to our channel My Learning Center on YouTube.